traffic police.
Beautiful day.
Hey, slow down. Hey, slow down, you. Sorry. Drive safely.
Hey, stop.
Sorry.
I'm waiting for the light.
I'm waiting too.
Hey.
It's really good, guys. Yeah. Let's eat some donuts.
Hey, what's that? Oh, nice! No police! Traffic lights! Thank you! Selling traffic lights! Selling traffic lights! Hello, officer!
Hello.
Selling traffic lights! Off price!
Hey, let's go for a drive again.
A good day to drive! Yeah!
Okay, let's work again. It was a good lunch. It's work. Guys, watch out!
Oh no!
Oh no, what did you do?
There weren't any traffic lights!
Yes, I didn't see them either.
No, oh no!
Guys, what has happened?
There were no traffic lights!
So we had a car crash.
Selling traffic lights!
I know who did this. Hey, there's one traffic light.
Selling traffic lights!
There he is!
Oh no! Oh no! Please!
Stay like this.
Oh no! I have to go to jail! Oh no!
You're going back to jail.
Again? No!
You're going to jail, sir.
Oh, again!
Yes, every week you're doing some bad and you go to
No, please! Oh
yes,
no!
you're doing that.
Now I'm stuck!
Stay still, Joe.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm Jason. I'm gonna teach you how to make a vending machine. First, you need a big box. Make tools. That's easy. Now we need some paint. Okay, let's now paint. Awesome! I need some more paint. I got more paint. Oh, yeah. Now the last one, guys. Yay! Yay! Look how beautiful.
Cool.
I am a vending machine. I'm a vending machine. Selling food. I'm selling food.
Hey, a vending machine. Whoa!
Oh yeah!
Let's order some food. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hello. Is somebody home? Somebody home?
What do you want?
Hi. I want this one.
Okay, one Fanta is coming.
Whoa, cool vending machine. Come on, come on. Ah, one Fanta. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, hello!
Hey, Spider-Man. I got a Fanta. Wow. Ah! Spider-Man. Oh no. That's mine. Yeah, I got my drinks. Yeah, I got my drinks. Whoa, hey, hey, hey. Oh, 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 ah, ah. Okay, let's open it. No! Ah, no!
Oh no!
I need a new one. Hello! I need to order more.
Oh, which one?
I want this one, please. Come on, hurry up! Come on! Ah, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Ah, nice.
Hey, what do you want, monkey? If you want food, you need money. If you don't have money, no food. Stop it, monkey! Stop it! Hey, stop it, monkey! Stop it! If you want a banana, you can have it! Hey, stop it! You ain't got your banana! Throw it, eat the banana! Yay, I can sell food again! Oh no, Alex is coughing!
Oh, hey, Jason, give me a hand.
Alex is coughing!
Jason, give me a hand.
No!
Give me a hand. Hey! Hey, Jason!
Stop, Alex!
What's going on, Jason? Why did you give me a hand?
Because you coughed on your hands, I could get sick.
Huh? You're right, Jason!
First you need to wash your hands.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, Alex, wash your hands.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay, let's see your hands.
So, are my hands clean now?
Good job, Alex. Your hands are clean now.
Can I now get a hand?